Outstanding design defines the 2013 Infiniti JX35. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Infiniti prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by leather upholstery, power moonroof, a power liftgate, and power front seats. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Infiniti also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.